people are going to kill me, you know. Yes, Sister D. What about that soft credit? Oh, that soft credit. Well, it frees.
Today is the day I want to know where I stand.
You're standing in my shop.
You're joking. Me say it's either me or Marie. Which one?
Here, make you so unconscionable.
Unconscionable? Oh, so it's free ride.
What do you mean?
What me mean? Me say you have to pay me for all my time me waste with you.
But you going on as though me employ you.
I'm going to make you an example to all man that fool up woman, you know. Where you take me for? Konomono? Listen to me now. Even if me was Konomono, me not Konomono for you.
Frida, keep your voice at a human level.
Me want 50% of the business.
50%? You mad? Is Mary give me money to build this business here?
I'm going to make you an example to all man who fool up woman. In life, don't bite off more than you can swallow. There is no free ride. Tell me something.
Sell me 2 pounds of rice and a pound of flour.
I beg you just put on the crate stuff for me.
Wait, what happened, Sally? Are you that?
Me see one fair.
What going on?
So me just bring a crate of drinks here for the party later.
Thank you, man.
This is when me see him this morning. Is him there?
I'm round at the back. I look after some things for the party.
This is when me see him this morning, fair. Me feel like my heart was going to drop out.
All that we have crosses, Sally. Some bigger than some. I tell you, it look like mine is the biggest.
Why, me understand exactly what you mean enough here. This is where you find him.
I know me find him. It's him find me. But him a skid.
Yeah? You want me discipline him for you?
It's all right. I have him right where I want him.
What life funny though, eh? Man a right and God a white. So you find it funny? It's a long time I try to set up a grocery shop for add to the bar, you know. Everything in place. And perhaps new business come open up. But you see if I never did all you, Faye. You see if I never did all you.
Listen now, I feel my business this, you know. So nobody mash it up.
Shame on you, man. You couldn't do that. I'm here, a big friend from long time.
Sally, you know, say, it look like the one Oliver want me as a mother woman. And it now go work, you know. It now go work.
So is who she?
The one chick named Marie, sir.
Marie. Don't make them harass you, man, you know. You see all me know, Faye? You see all me know? Me just make sure me set up myself a certain way so that no man can test, you know. You see all my bar and my house and my satellite dish and all the furnishings in my house. And me one and God work and sweat for them, you know. That's why I always show you, you know. Set up yourself, Faye. No make the man come harass you. No make the man come take you for a ride. But no, man. You know like that. But you see how me know? And you see all of this? Me just view this as a temporary setback. Where's you?
What you mean?
Never mind. Woman tongue can get very light at times.
All right, let's stop the music. Stop the
the music. We can't just a jollificate, so we have to say a few words of welcome to Master Oliver.
Oh,
Yes,
thank you, no.
yes.
Shut up your mouth, too much, Sally. Sure.
Where do you go for your bar, Sally?
I lock up the bar today.
Oh, yes.
This is Mr. Oliver's day.
Yes,
Alright.
yes.
All right?
So somebody give us...
What? Me? No, me love you. Me I go serve. You see, somebody give us speech.
You will talk. Master Oliver.
Yes, sir.
Good luck, sir.
Thank.
What are the talk and a talk, man?
True one.
Give me a rum. Let me loosen my tongue.
That's all you don't care about, you no belly.
Empty bag can't stand up.
All right, come on. Marcia. Marcia, one piece soup.
The soup round there, sir.
Gentlemen, advertise soup. Yes, man. Look at the soup, come on.
You hear them? You sound like you don't want to do some Epsom.
Here, one more help Sally serve. Yes, man. Make it think one nice, man. At least that day we come to celebrate, man.
The soup smell nice, Marcia, you cook?
What a whole heap of soup.
It's managed water, them we like it. Them no use nothing free, you know.
I like.
Because $20 for go dance down the lane. And them have to buy them food and them drinks separate.
Right, Marcia.
All right, I'm going to give a speech now, man. So,
Quiet. I would like to say something.
hold on for the speech, there, brother. Hold on for the speech. Look here.
No, Master boy.
Look what I find up the step. This boy, this little something here. Bought him a drink beer.
And I know.
And he's not even bigger than the beer back when he have one I'm up and 20 I'm foot.
Junior, what you do here?
Nothing, Mama.
You eat your dinner yet?
Who's plop tonight?
Hi, come, Junior, come. Leave the little boy alone, master, man. Plenty food is here. Go and serve out a big plate of curry goat again. Junior, you want soup?
No. It's a thump the boy one.
No, don't stump him. Spare him. Next thing you top the little boy and handicap him.
Come.
Give him the food, man.
Come take this food from me.
Go on.
Take this piece of paper, cover it up so that fly no pitch.
Come, Junior. And you know, go on over here, see, Junior. Cover it up. And go on over now and go eat. Left the little boy, no mass, yeah. So,
Pass some white over here.
No wives, we only have one pot.
It's in the part of this. Pass some white, man.
Beggars are no choosers.
I don't have beer, no beer, no die, you know. No beer, no die.
Them know you see a rum pot.
You have no yap here.
Aye. Look out, no man, no drunk off coffee, you know. Because him bound to arrest somebody today.
Come, get in the music.
He been up on duty tonight, man. I don't know if him arrest me. Back foot! Look who I come!
Jesus, Savior, pilot.
What a piloting that will be. With all the dressing panta fight.
Please, wanna leave Sister D.
You did invite her?
Well, you know, Sister D says she don't like to come to these worldly things.
So it's what bring you here, my love?
Hello. What the girl man for?
Is it free food bring you here, or is it Satan?
No, I was just on the so I thought I'd just come and pay them respect. So Sister Dinah is the Biblist. It's a little base not carrying so that Master Oliver can put anything that leave over here. No, not for me, you know, not for me. For those who couldn't get to come.
Sister D, don't make these people turn into no liar here. We have a whole heap of curry goat down there, so come, we go, make me share out something here, yeah, man.
Get in here.
Here, help Sister D, help Sister D. Hi, Sally,
Yes, ma'am.
come and make me a drink, man.
And give Sister Dinah one too.
Of course. Cheers. Make me drink to Master Oliver and the shop.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. And listen now, I would like to give a little speech. I am very sorry that two people is not here to share with me this evening. One is Mary, a very special friend. And the other one is Matthew, a friend nonetheless. Oh, if Matthew could see me now, Cheers.
Order! Thank you. Master Oliver, I am very proud that you chose this community to establish here.
Oh, yes, thank you, sir.
I bet you couldn't find.
Oh, no, not at all.
The people here are friendly, law-abiding, and honest.
Yes.
But if me have to inform you,
That the person who left you that shop is not the owner. And the rightful owner served notice for you to vacate the place with immediate effect. Sorry, Master Oliver.
Is what I do you. Make you test me so.